I'm the little star. Follow me. It's me, it's Kira. Hello everybody, so yummy. Now on the way we go to visit another place to adventure. This place so beautiful in the nature. We call here is Kiama. Yes, the weather here now very good. Everything perfect with Kira can visit and Kira can show everybody how the people here catch fish and they make the fish. So the fish here they have the lure. When we want to catch this, the lure very tough. And I think it's a good idea for the everybody keep the nature good for develop. You can hear the shout from nature. Look like the shout from the beach, shout from the windy storm. Some birds can have the body calm, can have brain is freedom, is a value from a nature. Yeah, they make the fish here and they give the food for the bird. It's good, right? And one simple law here look like the fish so smaller and the fish bigger you can't catch. Because look like the fish smaller they can grow up and the fish bigger they can get the baby. It means make develop like that. Look the view again one more time. So keep your eyes. What's this? What's that? Ooh, wow. You try get a food. Yeah, everybody can hear the sound from this kind of bird. It's called pelicans. Actually, Vietnam word is bồ nồng. Pelican, we have a lot here. But essentially, it's around here they have the fish and the good food for them. It means why they live here a lot. And around here, the nature is very nice. Now we can move another place. I will show you. Oh, it's my mom. It's Kira mom. Mommy happy here. Wow, it's me. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow. Everybody can see? What's place name here? It's called Blowhole. Kiama Blowhole. It's like is the mountain rock and it has a hole in here. And when the wind make the wind come and they from the hole they boom. Wow. Look like volcano. Maybe Kira don't know what it does. But this video can cue for her when she grow up a little bit more. She will understand and make her mind remember. Oh, Kira made the hole too. Oh, but she yeah. Yeah, look detail now. What the accent from the blue hole here? Everybody can see clearly now. 1, 2, 3, going on. Wow, beautiful. Okay, we move another play on the car. It's weather a little bit raining now. Yeah, the raining make the name we can remember easy. It's called rainforest. This forest very famous here at Australia. So look like they protect this place and you feel cool. And most of the time here maybe rain. Now let's follow with me. Now I try climb up outside. Ha 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 ha. Just follow me. At the end of this road, maybe everybody can see waterfall. It's just really beautiful. But so I'm lazy and tired. I just want to have it right here. We know it's Vietnam. How many places very beautiful too. But I hope can be soon. Can keep nice and protect nature and no rubbish everywhere. Yeah, this video just made memory, but have some person watching. Thank you.